God bless you everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you the new turbo I got for the V14. As you guys heard, today we got a brand new turbo for my V14, and by the title you guys know what it is. Before I start this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Josh in twistedmotion.com to help me out with the turbo that we got today. And if you guys have any questions or need a turbo, I highly recommend to go with Josh. Excellent customer service. I spoke to him a couple times, always reply right away. Excellent customer service. So I'm gonna have the Instagram and the YouTube channel and the store page on the description. So go ahead and check it out. Just let them know that Jose from G2G Build sent you. So here is the turbo. I got impatient and I opened already. So let's take this puppy off right now. Boom. And here we have my GTX2871R. This one actually right here is the new turbo from Twisted Motion that I got. I'm gonna take it off the back to show you. So here we have the new turbo. Like I said again, this one is GTX2871R, and this one is the biggest T2 that I can get into my car. As you guys know, this turbo is going to go on my SR20 DET V14 SCR, and this turbo should be a bolt-on. So again, T2, it has a 11 blade billet wheel, ball bearing turbo. We have an AR60 on the compressor housing, and in the back we have an AR.86 in the turbine housing or the hot side. So this turbo should be capable of 400 horsepower wheel or more, and I'm excited. We got an adjustable wastegate. This one is preset at 14 pounds. I have here a new set of oil lines and coolant lines, and everything is actually a bolt-on application. If you guys decide to go with the ball bearing turbo, don't forget to get the kit because you will need an oil restrictor to run the ball bearing and make sure that you get the most out of your turbo. Here I have my SR20 DET. It's not the cleanest at the moment, but we got future plans, and I want this car to be a beast of a car. If you want to know what's next, you're gonna have to subscribe. And if you like Nissans, we have also a Nissan Sentra B13. That one is actually a GA16DE, which is a 1.6. So stay tuned. Like I said, huge shout out to Josh in Twisted Motion, and all the information is going to be on the bio or description. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, and I will see you in the next one with more Nissan videos and turbo videos. So have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you all.